So hello guys, in this video we are going to solve this problem. So in this problem it is given that all lines are tangent. So this you can see this AC line, AD line, BD and CD. All lines are tangents, this CD also. So all lines are tangent to this circle and this circle. And here it is given that AB is perpendicular to CD. So you can see that this AB line is perpendicular to this CD line. CD value is given as 6 centimeter. Area of the circles are 4 pi and pi. Means this is bigger, so this is 4 pi and this area is pi. So these information are given in the problem. So we have to find the area of the triangle ABC. So let's see how we can solve this problem. So you see this figure. So I marked different points like this is P point, this is Q point, this is V point, this is D, this is W, this is B, this is S point and this is R point. This is our Q point, this is our P point, this is our V point, this is D, this is W, this is A, this is B, this is C. Now we know the property of the tangent, like if you draw tangent to this circle from the point A, so this is one tangent and this is one tangent. So the length of these both tangents are equal. So this is the property. So we can write like AP is equal to AV because both are drawn from an external point A to the circle. So these two tangent length are equal. Similar way you can write this CP is equal to CQ. Similarly, you can also write this BW is equal to BS, and you can also write this CS is equal to this CR. So this CR is from point the C to the point R. So you can write because these all are tangent from like the one point to the circle. So these both length are equal. So now we know all those things. So let's say uh, this length we assume x. So this length is also x because these both lengths are equal. Let's say this bs is y, so this bw is also y. And in the problem it is given that this circle area is 4 pi. So let's say this is the center of the circle, so we can write area of the circle as 4 pi. So area of the circle is pi times radius square. So in this figure you see this mq length is the radius from the point M to the point Q. So this is the radius. So here you can put like pi times mq square is equal to 4 pi, and you can find the mq value. It will come like 2 centimeter. So I put here like 2 centimeter. This is the radius, and you see from the point N you draw one perpendicular to this tangent. So this is 90 degree, and this length is also equal to the radius. So it is 2 centimeter. Now this MQ line is parallel to BD line, so this length is also 2 centimeter, and this QD is also 2 centimeter. From the point Q to the point D, this distance is also 2 centimeter because this distance is 2 centimeter between the point M and B. So this is a square, and the all sides have the length 2 centimeter. Now you see in the problem it is given that this small circle area is pi. So let's say this is the center of the small circle like n, and this is the point r. So we can write pi times rn square. Rn is the radius, so pi times r square is the area of the circle, which is given as pi. So from here you can find out the value of rn. It will come like 1 centimeter. So this rn length is 1 centimeter. So this is also equal to the radius, the nw. So it will also come like 1 centimeter. So this dw, it is parallel to rn, and it will also come like 1 centimeter. And this uh, between the point r between the point R and between the point D, this distance is also will 1 centimeter. So this is the square. Like R and WD is a square with the side length of 1 centimeter. So now we know this thing. So now we know this square MQDV, this square has a side length of 2 centimeter, and R and WD, this square has a side length of 1 centimeter. Now you see the what is the distance between the point C and the point R? How we can calculate this? So we know like this whole length in the problem is given as 6 centimeters. So CD is given as 6 centimeter. and now we know like this QD length is 2 centimeters. So the remaining CQ length we know like 6 minus 2, it is 4 centimeter. So if we know this CQ as 4 centimeter, we can also write this CP as 4 centimeter, because CP is equal to the CQ. And what is the length then of the CR? So what is the distance between the point C and the point R? So it is simply the CQ plus QR. So we know this CQ length is 4 centimeter, and we also know this like the RD length. RD length, you know, 1 centimeter, and this QD length, you know, like the 2 centimeter. So you can subtract both of these, and you can find the QR length as 1 centimeter. So between the point Q and the point R, this length is 1 centimeter. So between the point Q and between the point R, this length is 1 centimeter. So you can add CQ and this QR. So it will come like 5 centimeter. So the CR length is 5 centimeter. You can easily see. Now we know different length. Like this is X, this is X, this is 4, this is 4. From previous slide, we find like this CR length as 5 centimeters. So this CS length is also 5 centimeter. We know. Initially, we assume this BW as Y and BS is also Y. This BD we know 2 centimeter. This MQ we know 2 centimeter. This is 1 centimeter. So we know all these distance. So now we apply like the Pythagoras theorem. You see the triangle ACD. So in the ACD, we can write AC square as AD square plus CD square simply. So what is the value of AC? It is like x plus 4. This x and this 4. So x plus 4 whole square as AD square. So what is the value of AD? This is x plus 2. This is x, this is 2. And in the problem, it is given as the CD has a length of 6 centimeters, so we can write like 6 square. So we can open this like x square plus 8x plus 16, and this will open as x square plus 4x plus 4, and it is 36. So after simplifying, you can find the value of x as 6 centimeter. So now we know this x value as 6 centimeter. So now you look at the triangle BCD. So you look, so here we can again apply Pythagoras theorem like BC square as CD square plus BD square. So what is the value of BC? This is simply this 5 plus y. So it is 5 plus y whole square. CD we know as 6, so this will become like 6 square. And BD we know as 1 plus y, so it will become like this. So now you can open, it will come like y square plus 10y plus 25 is equal to 36 plus 1 plus y square plus 2y. So after simplifying, you can find the value of y as 3 by 2. So we also now know this y value as 3 by 2 centimeter. So now we have to find the area of the triangle ABC. So what is the area of the triangle? Like half times base, which is the AB, and this perpendicular height as CD. You know this is the 90-degree angle. CD is perpendicular to AB, so we can write this. So what is the value of AB? Now we know this is 6, this is 2, this is 1, this is 3 by 2. So you can sum all of these, and it will be the length of AB. It is 6 plus 2 plus 1 plus 3 by 2. And we know the value of CD as 6, which is given in the problem. So now you can simplify this. This will become like 9 plus 3 by 2, which is 21 by 2, and this is 6. So after simplifying, it will come like 126 by 4, which is 31.5 centimeter square. So this is the area of the triangle ABC. In this way, we can find this answer.